Okay, how are you?
Okay.
Okay. Uh, Nothing happens in school?
No.
No. Okay. So basically, last meeting, we already created designing in your game Twine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you modify it?
Hmm?
Kamu ada modif-modif dikit nggak? Kamu ada tambahin-tambahin dikit atau masih sama? Your game in Twine ya. Kita desain your game in Twine yes last meeting. Apakah kamu ada nambah-nambahin atau masih sama? Nggak ada? Nothing? Oke. And today kita akan belajar topik baru. We will learn some new topic ya. Mungkin kamu kamu pernah menggunakan ini because today's lesson is about image generation. Jadi kita bakal bikin image, kita bakal bikin gambar using AI. Oke? Oke. Let me share my screen first. Okay. So basically, we can use ChatGPT to make images. Yeah. And then there's another website. There's another AI website. It's called Mage, Mage. Mage ini only for image generation. Ya. Kalau GPT kan bisa macam-macam. GPT can do some text generation, can do your homeworks, can do math,
Yeah.
ya, can do analysis, can do translation. But in Mage itu they only can generate image. They only can make images. Gitu. Oke. Jadi how can GPT can generate image? Jadi GPT itu dibekali sebuah model. Model itu namanya DAL-E. Ya, kamu nggak perlu tahu nama modelnya, tapi secara keseluruhan caranya gimana sebuah komputer itu membuat image, sebuah komputer itu generate image sesuai dengan apa yang kamu mau, according uh, what you want. Dia ada namanya model DAL-E ini. Oke. So, I give you some example how this model works ya. Kakak akan kasih lihat gimana sih cara modelnya ini bekerja. Ya, contohnya itu, uh, of course, we will use some prompts ya. Kita akan menggunakan prompts sama seperti kita text generation. Oke, jadi gini. Cara kerjanya adalah, kakak punya satu kata. I have one word here, table. Oke, I have one word here, table. Oke, can you describe what tables looks like?
Table.
Mm-mm. Meja, table.
Uh, Big.
Big, oke.
And then
Table, biasanya table
wood.
made of wood. Oke. Table itu shape-nya seperti apa biasanya?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, oke. And then
Is that
table,
for it?
table biasanya punya ada apa aja?
Table have wood.
Table have wood, oke. Can you describe it more specific? Wood, rectangle, big.
Yeah.
Mhm. Anything else?
No. I don't
No.
know.
What it makes different with chair? Apa yang buat table itu berbeda
Chair
dengan
is for
chair?
sitting, and if the foot is like, I mean, the table is like, I don't know how to say.
So the table is more higher, more higher than
Yeah.
a chair. Okay. And then it has some rectangular,
Mm-hmm.
rectangular wood. Rectangle or circle? What do you think? Rectangular shape or circle? Table. Is it rectangular, right? Okay. So basically apa yang kamu pikirkan itu sama seperti apa yang AI
Mm-hmm.
pikirkan. Ya. Jadi kamu harus transferring your image, transferring your imagination ke AI using words. Ya. Mungkin dulu AI nggak tahu table itu kayak gimana. Ya. 10 tahun lalu AI itu belum tahu table itu kayak gimana sih. Nah, tetapi seiring berjalannya waktu, AI itu diajarin sama manusia. Oh, table itu bentuknya besar. Table commonly is wooden. Ya. Table has four legs, ada empat kakinya nih.
Mm-hmm.
Ada empat kaki untuk menyanggahnya. Dan table itu biasanya lebih tinggi daripada chair.
Yeah.
Kayak gitu. Jadi ada namanya, apa namanya? Kayak AI itu dilatih sama manusia. Kayak gitu. Oke, one more example. Parrot, burung beo.
Parents,
Parrot,
parrot.
ya,
Okay.
burung. Parrot itu burung beo. Oke,
Mm.
how can you describe parrot?
Beautiful,
Beautiful. Okay. Parrot is a
living thing.
living thing. What kind of living thing?
Um, Animal,
Yeah, animal. What kind of animal? Parrot.
bird, like that.
Yeah. Is it like a cat?
No,
No. Then what kind of animal is it?
it's like a
Is it
bird.
like is it bird? Okay, is it bird? And then
Bird have wings.
bird have wings. Okay. What else can you describe about parrot?
Uh,
Beautiful. Is it bird? Beautiful and have wings.
yeah.
Mhm. Is it big or small?
For me, I think not that big, so small.
Not that big, so they're small. Anything else?
No.
No. Okay.
Can sometimes some parrots can like copy your words or talk.
Sometimes can copy human talk ya.
Mm.
Oke ya, jadi kayak gitu. Em, yang kamu describe yang parrot itu adalah yang AI tangkap. Nah, itu cara kerjanya. Nah, kemudian biasanya kan kita kalau nulis prompt ya, kalau nulis prompt itu we have a structure ya. We have a structure like this kayak write write a letter, letternya for siapa, audiensnya, terus ada limitationnya berapa paragraph kayak gitu ya. Tetapi untuk image generation is kind of different. Oke, it is kind of different. Oke, oke. Di sini I have an example promptnya ya. Red yellow parrot on the right and green blue parrot on the left. Bright sky with no clouds in the back. Nah, ini adalah promptnya yang kita tulis di GPT misalnya. Kemudian yang gambar yang dihasilkan adalah gambar ini nih. This is the image. This is the result. Ya. What do you think is wrong?
What do I think is prom?
Ya, what do you think? Apa yang menurut kamu salah dari gambar ini according to the prompt?
Red, yellow parrot on the right and green.
Mhm.
It's
Red,
not green.
red yellow palette on the right. Is it correct? Red yellow palette on the right.
Yeah, I think that's correct.
Correct. Okay. And green blue parrot on the left.
Yeah.
Is it green blue parrot on the left? Correct?
No.
No. Okay. And then bright sky with no clouds in the back. Is it correct?
It, it says bright sky with no clouds.
Mm-hmm.
No, there is
No.
clouds.
So that's wrong, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So sometimes AI can do wrong things like that ya. Kadang-kadang AI itu tidak tepat hasilnya sesuai dengan apa yang kamu minta. Nah, jadi kamu
Oh,
bisa, yang kamu lakukan itu kamu bisa edit again, ask AI to do better again, kayak gitu. Nah, hmm, okay. Okay, I give you one more example, how to generate a good prompt and a bad prompt. Okay, so this is the example of a bad prompt ya. On the red one, ini adalah example dari prompt yang jelek. Just generate a horse that rides a duck in the wild. Oke, bandingin dengan generate a horse that rides a duck in a tropical rainforest. The cloudless sky, in the background, sun is shining, horse is white and has a splendid mane. Nah, jadi ada kemiripan how to talk with GPT, how to write a prompt. Ada kemiripan, yaitu kamu harus details.
details.
Ya, kamu harus details menulis prompt. Misalnya kamu mau bikin gambar kuda. Oh, kudanya mau warna apa? Kudanya mau bentuknya besar apa kecil? Is it big or small? Kudanya mau satu apa dua? Kayak gitu. Terus kamu mau bikin background. Oh, backgroundnya mau di mana? Lokasinya di mana? Terus selain itu misalnya lokasinya ada di jalanan. Oh, jalanannya eh, mau kondisi cerah apalagi kondisi hujan. Kayak gitu. Macam-macam. Kamu harus details untuk generate good image. Nah, ini adalah perbandingannya ya. Kalau kita cuman generate seadanya, ya hasilnya juga seadanya, hasilnya juga random. Tapi kalau kita generate sesuai apa yang kita mau, details sesuai apa yang kita mau, maka hasilnya akan semirip mungkin apa yang kita mau. Ya, meskipun AI itu kadang ada salahnya juga kayak tadi. Oke. Okay, and then okay. Okay, let's go log in to your Agonova. We will make some images using AI. Okay.
Hmm. Do I need to share screen?
Yeah, you need to share screen.
Okay.
Let's go to number
Wait,
eight.
my Firefox is updating.
Mhm.
Number 8.
Number eight, correct.
Action
Okay,
completed.
it's a clip generates a text description and then resolution improvement and then glide uses clip to generate an image. Okay.
What should be followed to create a good prompt as generating image?
Okay, the first one, the data in the request is semantically separated by commas.
Mm-hmm.
The data in the request is
Just,
semantically separated by commas.
just that.
Okay, and then the request must be concise and then describe as much detail as possible. Oke, Oke, the next one ini adalah example-nya ya. Ini ada example-nya. Sekarang I want you to GPT. I want you to go to GPT. Oke, kita akan generate image sesuai dengan contoh tadi. Oke, kita lihat dulu contoh yang tadi. Okay, can you describe this image?
Um,
Mhm. Ada apa aja di gambarnya?
Dolphins,
Dolphins, and then
and they're in Paris.
dolphins in Paris.
The
There's
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower, and then
There's a hot dog
there's a hot dog. Di mana hot dognya?
in the middle.
In the middle. Okay. Size hot dognya
Big
big. Oke. Terus backgroundnya?
in Eiffel Tower.
Backgroundnya Eiffel Tower. Suasananya
The sky is bright.
size bright. Have some clouds ya.
Mhm.
Oke. Nah, itu adalah deskripsi yang ingin kamu tulis di GPT. Oke.
So make
Sekarang not make, generate a image with
uh, dolphins
ya with dolphins in the background and
and the Eiffel Tower
the Eiffel Tower.
and
Oke. Dolphins and Eiffel Tower in the background.
how Eiffel.
Eiffel is like this. Eiffel.
And Eiffel Tower and bright skies,
Like skies
sky with cloud
with clouds.
and put a hot dog,
Put a big hot dog.
big hot dog in the middle
Okay,
of the
flying in
image.
the middle of the image.
Flying oops,
Flying in the middle of the image.
in the middle of the image.
Oke. And then kamu lihat lagi gambarnya. Wait, you see on the
Um,
image. Menurut kamu gaya visualnya ini apakah animated, apakah kartun, apakah black
Realistic.
realistic? Oke. Make it realistic. Jangan lupa koma. Make it realistic. Oke, boleh dicoba. Nah, jadi bakal agak lama, nggak apa-apa, kita tunggu aja. Oh ya, selain itu, image-nya itu bisa kamu sesuaiin ukurannya ya. Mau ukurannya portrait, mau landscape, Atau nanti misalnya kamu pengen em, bikin Instagram post. Kamu bisa ask GPT ukurannya sesuai dengan Instagram post.
Okay.
Atau kamu bikin Instagram story, kamu bisa ask GPT to make it the size fit to Instagram stories. Something like that.
Mhm. Then why is it not generating?
Yeah, it's still loading. It will takes a long time. Memang lama.
Caranya apa? Hah?
Tunggu aja, emang lama dia.
Dan
Okay,
this
maybe, yeah, maybe it looks different, but it's okay. Yeah, emang nggak
screenshot?
emang nggak selalu sama. Okay, and then you can download it.
How?
Okay, X dulu. No no, GPT. X dulu, X. Oke, nah ini ada tombol download di kecil di bawah. Nah, there you go.
Already.
Already?
Yeah,
Oke.
here.
And then kita upload di Algonova. Ya,
Okay.
oke.
This. Yeah, done.
Yep, dan oke, let's go back. We go on to number two.
Oh, how about this? No need, yeah.
No, no.
Okay.
We go on to
Oh,
number two, ya.
wait, panda?
Ya, jadi gini.
Hmm.
Your task is what do you think about your favorite movie or favorite TV or favorite game? Apa? Mungkin
Okay.
kamu punya favorite movie atau favorite games?
Okay. Can I make like the bear chasing us, gitu?
Kenapa?
Like the bear chasing us.
The Bad Exercise. Maksudnya, sorry.
The bear is angry and it's chasing us.
Oh, nah. Jadi tas ini adalah contohnya kamu punya acara favorit di TV nih. Misalnya kamu suka Naruto nih, tapi karakternya kamu ganti jadi panda gitu. Nah, yang ini juga sama nih. Ini kayaknya Fantastic Four movie,
Okay.
tapi karakternya itu kamu ganti panda.
I don't know what movie though.
You don't know about movies?
Mhm.
Maybe games?
Game
Games? What games do you play?
like in Roblox.
Just Roblox? Okay. Maybe a character from a movie. What do you
A
like?
character. Um,
Maybe like
what if
superhero
it's a drama?
drama, boleh.
So do you know Bon Appetit, Your Majesty itu one?
What what is the title?
Bon Appetit, Your Majesty.
Bon Appetit,
Your Majesty, My Majesty, or Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Oke. Nah, kita buat posternya, tapi we change the character with panda.
Okay.
Oke. Generate an image. An image for a movie poster. Is it movie or series?
Drama.
Uh,
It's a series.
it's a series. Okay. For a series, for a TV series poster. Sorry, TV series poster. Okay. The title is Bon Appetit. Oke. Titlenya itu kamu pakai kutip, kutip dua. You use quote mark. Bon Appetit, I think Bon Appetit is like this. Bon,
Okay.
Bon Appetit. Bon Appetit.
Eh, wait, sir, am I share screening right now?
Ya,
Okay. So can I write like the character who's going to be the panda?
mm. Nah, itu di posternya itu kalau mau karakternya ada apa aja.
Kayak kan uh the the girl is cooking for the Majesty.
Oke, kita search
So
image.
the Majesty can be the panda and the girl, yeah.
Oke. Kita ini dulu deh. Kita apa? Kita buka tab baru dulu. Ya. Coba cari Bon Appetit, My Majesty. Oh, Your Majesty. Oke, kita cari image. Oh, kayak gini ya. Oke, kamu bisa ambil satu contoh mungkin yang ini. Diklik dulu. Oke, kamu copy di sini, copy image, copy image, copy
Yeah.
image. Oke, go back to GPT,
Mhm.
go back to GPT. Oke, di sini pas paste, paste aja, paste. Bisa ya, di paste aja,
Hah?
di paste, paste.
Oh,
Oke, nah setelah itu, setelah Bon Appetit My Majesty, titik dulu. Oke, and then change the character face.
can I say the boy character?
Boleh. Change the boy character face with panda. Into panda boleh.
Can I say into angry panda or something else?
Boleh, Angry Panda boleh. Oke, maybe the female character, the girl character, kamu mau ganti jadi lion, tiger, anything else?
What if the girl expression? Can we change it?
Boleh, you can try.
That
Make the girl expression.
mm, don't care.
Like, don't care.
Like how ya? Mm, make the girl expression sad aja.
Medical expression. Sad. Okay.
Cause
Okay.
sad but not that sad.
Not that sad.
Sad?
Sad, but not with tears, I think. Okay. It's okay.
Oops.
Let's wait. It will take so long.
Done.
Then, is it
Why did like this?
what? Okay. Okay. Let's go download it. Yeah, you can make funny pictures with that. Maybe your group class photo, you can edit it.
Okay, and then how? Do
Yeah,
the same.
same. Download it. Okay, guess next. Hmm,
This.
oke. Ini adalah generate poster for a movie. Ya, jadi ceritanya kamu adalah seorang sutradara, you are a director ya, and you make your own movies, dan kamu
Yeah.
pengen bikin posternya, gitu.
Make my own movie.
Ya, your own movie. What do you think? Maybe you can use the story yang kemarin Hospital Death.
Okay, so generate a photo. Tapi,
Ya, generate poster
ya,
movie tentang Hospital Death boleh. Poster. Oke, the title is Hospital Death. And you describe the movie.
um, the movie is about. Do I say you or some person?
Um, a girl, a boy.
They have. Mm, Okay, that.
Oke, wait. And then kamu bayangin image-nya itu mau seperti apa? The image will have a girl atau a boy? A girl, eh orangnya itu kayak gimana? Running for her life. Monster chasing.
Okay, got.
The monster is chasing and mungkin raut mujah, raut wajahnya, raut wajah orangnya, pemeran utamanya,
Right. The monster seems to be hungry and the
look terrified. Oke, look terrified.
okay. Then
And then the background of your image, backgroundnya mungkin lokasinya ada di mana?
tidak.
The background is in the hospital, full of blood.
Later it says that it cannot generate because it's so scary.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Hospital, full of blood everywhere, and it's dark. Okay, wait. And then you can uh
Malah.
you wait.
Okay, can I send it?
Wait. And then kamu bisa apa ya? Tulisan di posternya itu kamu mau kasih Gayanya seperti apa? Make the title looks horror. Make the title looks horror.
Okay, Sen.
Oke, boleh coba.
Okay. Mami lo kayaknya mah. Bukan untuk ini.
Mungkin nanti kamu bisa describe juga karakternya itu pakai baju apa, kayak gitu. Rambutnya panjang atau pendek kayak gitu-gitu.
See, this image generation request did not follow our content policy.
Oke, it's okay. Just wait. Just wait
Okay.
until it generates. Maybe it's because there is some blood there.
Yeah. Okay.
Atau kalau mau diedit juga bisa scroll ke atas. Coba. Scroll up a little bit. Oke, nah di sini ada pencil. No. Nah, ada pencil situ. Kita bisa edit. Nah, yang belat mungkin kamu hapus yang belatnya. Oke, send again boleh. Hmm.
Generate, generate, generate an image. Still generating. Tungguin generate dulu. Oh, here.
Okay, get it? Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we're done ya. We're done making
Hmm?
some images with AI. Nah, tapi sebelum itu kakak mau kasih tahu dulu. Sebenarnya GPT ini there is some limitation ya. GPT ini
Yeah.
is not free untuk kamu generate image. Jadi setiap harinya itu kurang lebih you can use up to 3 images. Oke, paling banyak itu kurang lebih ada tiga gambar yang bisa kamu bikin di GPT. Nah, mungkin if you want to use maybe more than three, ya, there is our website. Websitenya itu ada namanya Mage yang tadi Mage. Nah ini,
Okay.
I give you the link on the chat. You can try. Nah ini adalah linknya Mage. Ini em, khusus untuk image generation, dia free, ya dia free. Kemudian dia juga generate-nya lebih cepat. Nah, tetapi ada downside-nya. There is some downside. Kadang
Hmm?
generate-nya itu terlihat nggak masuk akal gitu. Agak agak unrealistic kayak gitu-gitu. Okay, you have anything to ask before I close this lesson?
No.
No. What do you think? Is it fun to do some image generation in AI?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I think. Okay. You can use kamu bisa gunain itu untuk edit. Misalnya kamu lagi foto misalnya, kamu lagi liburan, kamu lagi foto, terus kamu lihat oh gambarnya kayaknya masih banyak orang belakangnya, di background kamu masih banyak orang. You can use it to remove the people behind your background ya. And then kamu bisa perbagus lagi apa namanya? Image-nya. Maybe kamu ngefoto patung, ngefoto pemandangan, atau ngefoto hal-hal yang bagus. Terus kamu lihat, oh gambarnya hasil foto aku ngeblur gitu. Kamu bisa
Mhm.
bikin supaya lebih jernih gitu, using GPT juga. Kalau fotonya ngeblur, kamu bisa bikin lebih jernih. Kalau ada foto yang kurang cerah atau kurang gelap, kamu bisa bikin juga di GPT gitu. Oke?
Okay.
Oke. And then thank you Karen for attending today ya. And then I will see you again next Saturday. Kita akan masih belajar image generation lagi, tapi dengan sesuatu yang
Okay.
berbeda. Oke? Oke, thank you Karen.
Okay.
Have a good one. Good afternoon. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.